a great choice today with the 2017 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, child safety locks, CD player, MP3 player, passenger airbag, bucket seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.